In this video, we review the Dave app. Have you used the Dave app before? What was your experience? Leave your Dave app review in the comments section below. Did you know that 64% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck, and unexpected expenses can lead to costly overdraft fees adding $35 per occurrence? The Dave app aims to address these financial challenges by offering features designed to help users avoid overdraft fees and manage their finances more effectively. Dave is a financial app that provides interest-free cash advances, budgeting tools, and banking services to help users prevent overdraft fees and manage their expenses. The app offers cash advances up to $500 through its extra cash feature, allowing users to cover short-term expenses without incurring traditional overdraft fees. These advances are repaid automatically on the user's next payday, with no interest charges or credit checks involved. One of the primary advantages of using Dave is the ability to access short-term funds without the burden of high interest rates or hidden fees. The app charges a $1 monthly membership fee, and users have the option to provide a tip, which is not mandatory. Additionally, Dave offers an express funding option for faster access to funds, though this may come with a fee ranging from $3 to $25, depending on the amount and speed of the transfer. Beyond cash advances, Dave provides a suite of financial tools, including a checking account with no minimum balance requirements and no overdraft fees, early access to direct deposit funds, and an automatic budgeting feature that helps users track their spending and manage their finances more effectively. However, there are some considerations to keep in mind when using Dave. While the app does not charge interest on cash advances, the optional express fees and tips can add up, potentially making it a costly solution for frequent use. Additionally, although Dave does not directly cause overdraft fees, if a user's account lacks sufficient funds to repay the advance, the app will withdraw partial payments until the balance is settled, which could indirectly lead to overdraft situations if not carefully managed. User reviews of the Dave app are generally positive, with many appreciating its ease of use and the financial flexibility it provides during emergencies. However, some users have reported challenges with customer service and the speed of bank payments, indicating that there may be room for improvement in these areas. In conclusion, the Dave app offers a viable solution for individuals seeking to avoid traditional overdraft fees and manage short-term financial needs without resorting to high-interest loans. Its combination of interest-free cash advances, budgeting tools, and banking services provides users with resources to better manage their finances. However, it's essential for users to be mindful of optional fees and to manage their account balances carefully.